Right, I've got the piece of tube out of the van, so I'm just going to trim that down now. Well, that's all ready to go back in the van now. Let's get this slider back down there. Alright, got it back in for another test fit. After some sort, I'm just going to drill this and put a pin or a bolt through there, just hold that solid. So, right, better start drilling it out, I suppose. The next one through. That's the hole through there. And we do get a bolt, a pin to go through there. Right, let's see if we can find something to fit in there then. Right, get this in there. I made up a little pin earlier to fit in there, so if we can get that in there now. Got a pin in there. that in. Right, should we open that up? Right, the pin's in. That is very solid, so not going anywhere. Right, we'll get the rest of the steering out, yeah. Right, I've been wondering what to do with this end because it still turns and that, so I'm thinking I'm just going to put a tack of weld on here, some spot welds, because I don't think that's ever going to have to come off. And if it does, we can always just grind off the welds. So I'm going to get on with that and put some welds on that. Should hold it, I think. What we need. And now that's all done, I'm just going to put a bit of paint on the welds just to stop them rusting. Right, now that's done, we'll just leave that to dry and then we'll get it in the van. Right, all fitted in nicely now. All tucked up there out the way so you don't catch your legs on it. Right, so now all we've got to do is the wiring. Let's go and do that. Right, I got the electric power steering module all wired up and ready to go in the van. A few reasons why I picked this. One, this is a remote, it's not attached to the steering column. So I can just mount this under the dash to save room. Just needs 3 wires, a positive, negative and an ignition. What it does, as soon as you put the ignition to it, after 10 seconds it realises there's no car ECU attached to it and it goes into fail-safe mode, and then it just works as just carries on as normal. So that's the main reason I picked this, because you don't need any third-party wiring or anything, just the 3 wires. Right, so we'll go to go and get this in the van. Well, looks like the best place for it is up there. I've just marked a hole on that, so I think it's time to get that drilled. That's about where it's going to go. It's all fastened up. finished tightening that up. That's it, nice and solid. I've brought the wires up over here. They're going to come up and be fastened up there. Ignition, but I've got to tape them all up first before I do that. So get on some wiring. Right, I'm going to fasten the brown wire there. I'm going to get this blue wire plugged into the earth somewhere. And so I think I'll solder that on there. And then that's got to go on that one, I think. I'll have to double check that. Right, so I'll get this soldered all up. Right, got all the wiring done. I've decided to put a relay in there, just make sure there's no constant power being drained. So when it's on, got all that nice and tidy. All the clamps around there, all right. So I suppose I'll put a steering wheel on. Give it a test, I suppose. Now, it says it takes about 10 seconds for it to kick in once it's thing, so working. Oh, there, oh wow, there we go. Wow, that's easy. Blimey, it actually works. That's great. Right, so I'm going to get all put back together now and let's finish that off. It's brilliant. Oh, you can certainly tell the difference when it's off. There we go. Right, I'll get it all put back together now. Right, as you can see, it's all back together now. And everything's looking really tidy. Got it all nicely tucked up there, out of the way, no interference or anything. It's all gone in really well. Very pleased with how it looks. Put the aftermarket steering wheel in instead of the Ford one because I think it matches in with the wood effect I got going on in the front, so it looks quite nice, I think. Right, anyway, thanks for watching, and if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe and share, and I'll catch you on the next video.